Okay, welcome to our first official practical section where we will actually be creating something in Affinity Publisher. So this section will be all about the creation of the basic book style document. So we'll create a very basic book here, and I'm really excited to this because it's a most simple thing you can learn in Affinity Publisher, but we are going to learn this by learning different tools and actually implementing things in this section. So this book will be very basic and we will not be using any photo elements in here just to make it a bit simpler to explain. It's not that it's very difficult to add the photos in Affinity Publisher, but by doing it without photos, we are just taking away some problems that might be caused by adding the photos. So it would be a bit simpler for you to understand. Just make it like very bare bones and very simple explanation. So we are going to incorporate all the tools that we need for the text, and we are going to use the tools as we go in the practice. As all sections in this course, this is not the final form of any section. If you think that you purchase this course and this is the final form, no, actually it's not, because we are going to update and add more and more things that I will think that will be necessary for you, that might be difficult to understand for you, based on, of course, your questions and based on, of course, on your reviews. If you feel like that I need to add here something, if you feel like that you wanted to learn something in a basic book and you didn't get it, then of course you can tell me this directly or ask me the question about this directly. It will not be a problem. Again, I'm always available for you. And again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. So this will be very basic book that we are going to create in this section. But again, this section will most likely expand, and even I can say that this section will expand after the course release. So stay tuned for that. And right now, let's just get it started and create our first book.